Have you ever been in the middle of filming an event or vlog and suddenly your camera flashes a warning? Overheating. It's frustrating, and worse, you might even lose precious footage. In this video, we'll go through why cameras be overheating, the risks of it, how to stop it, and also what to do if your files get corrupted. Let's dive right in. Cameras are basically tiny little computers, as their sensors and processors generate heat while handling demanding tasks. Recording in 4K, 8K, using high frame rates, or just shooting during long sessions, this can all build up heat super fast. But here's the thing, some cameras can handle it better than others. The Canon EOS R5 struggled with 8K at launch, and then the Sony a7 IV is more balanced but still warms up in 4K 60 frames per second. Even action cams, like the GoPro Hero 12, overheat in long high bitrate sessions. Overheating isn't just an inconvenience, as it can cause recording interruptions, such as your camera shutting off while mid-session to prevent further damage. Also, file corruption, as your files may get corrupted or lost if the system shuts down abruptly. And also hardware stress, as long-term overheating may cause some hard damage to the batteries and to the camera's sensors. And this is why preventing overheating isn't just about convenience, it's really about protecting your gear and also your work. Now, the most common causes for overheating to happen are the following: high-resolution recording, such as 4K, 6K, and even 8K, direct sunlight exposure, long continuous recording sessions, small, tightly sealed bodies with poor airflow, and external factors like hot weather. Now, let's fix overheating step by step. Switching from 8K to 4K or even 60 frames per second to 30 frames per second reduces heat. Keep your gear shaded. Use a small umbrella or sun hood. Record in clips instead of hour-long sessions. Attach a cooling fan or use an open cage rig for ventilation. Always check for updates that optimize thermal control. Devices like the Atmos Ninja reduce internal processing heat. Swap batteries often, or use a dummy battery with external power for better airflow. All of these methods, when combined, can increase your camera's performance drastically. Now let's make a little comparison between two really good professional cameras so we can see the differences in overheating issues. Take the Canon EOS R5. At launch, it overheated in under 30 minutes at 8K. After updates and with cooling rigs, many shooters now get over an hour. Similarly, the Sony a7 IV lasts longer outdoor sessions with simple shade and airflow tricks. Sometimes overheating causes a recording to crash, leaving the file completely corrupted or even missing. Now, this is where recovery tools like Wondershare Recoverit come into the picture. It's AI powered and can restore lost video drafts, project files, or even partially corrupted footage from your SD card. Think of it as your safety net when things go wrong. So there you go, why cameras overheat, how to prevent it, and what to do if your footage is at risk. And also, have this in mind, do not let overheating ruin your creative flow. Now, if this video helped you in any way, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and also let us know in the comments if you have any overheating stories of yourself. I'll see you all in the next one, so stay safe and goodbye.